painting this was for someone as a commission, and they want it dark brown with light brown leopard spots. So it's gonna be fun. I love painting. It's so relaxing, and it's just kind of like the nicest part of doing a sculpture. I also like doing the coloured clay bits, but yeah, I'm glad that he's done. The bulk of them's done, so now I can do the painting. I really want to do like a mould for this guy, or like these kind of wolves that I make, because I love making them, but they do take a lot of time, and I'd love to just make loads of different colours of them with different, I don't know, spikes and stuff. So that might be on the cards in the future, to make a mould out of this one. But for now, we're going to paint him. We're going to paint him brown, and I've got like loads of different coloured browns. I've got like, what's Deco Art Crafters. I've got another one, like a darker one. There we go, can't see it. But if you're going to get paint, it's just like a recommendation. I would recommend you get like these ones. It's DoCrafts. They are so good. They are so opaque. I only have to do like 2 layers maybe, and they're just really good. Whereas Deco Art paint, honestly, I wouldn't really recommend it. It's kind of watery and it doesn't go on very well. You have to do about 3 layers, probably more, just to get the same sort of opaqueness as this one. I've also got Americana. I literally just picked up the first one. I don't have an Americana in brown, but this one, it's better than this one, but it's still not as good as DoCrafts. Is it DoCrafts? DoCrafts. But yes, I would highly recommend this one, but I'm still going to use these ones because I only have this colour brown. Right, so I'll show you the difference with like this one, Deco Art. So it's kind of, I don't know, it doesn't go on that well. And then try it with this one. Give it a shake. And then I'll just do like a little bit on the leg. I'll mix it in with water now. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like DoCrafts is just better than, like, a better finish on it. I don't know. It's up to you guys, whatever you guys think. But at the moment, I'm just outlining where I want kind of the brown to go. So I'm just doing the first layer, which don't worry if the first layer looks horrendous, because this is just going to be used as kind of like a bite for the next layer, so it'll be extra opaque. So don't worry if it doesn't look too good on the first round, and the more that you build up, the better it'll be. This is literally just finding out where I want the paint to go and how it's going to look. And I've also found that obviously this has got like fur detail, and it's kind of hard to get inside the crevices of it. So if you just mix with water, it kind of gets in there a lot better. And that goes for like, if you've got this kind of detail and you want to get right up inside, you got to make your paint quite watery. It won't be as opaque as if you just use paint, but it'll get in there, and then you can, you know, put paint on top of it, and it'll be good. It'll look good. Trust me. Look how cool that is with just a dry brush. But then if you just add a little bit of water, you get right inside. And also when you're putting your first layer on, it's kind of, you just want to leave it. You don't want to keep messing around with it, because you'll just move the paint more. That goes for most wet paint actually. Whichever layer you're on, the more you mess around with a certain spot, the more you're just going to move the paint around. And in some cases you can sort of erase the paint. So you just kind of want to do it, pop it on, and then leave it. Leave it to dry, and then you can add your second layer. So that's how I paint my sculptures and how I also make my wolf-tailed out of clay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like or a comment in the section below, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye guys!